With ISEO, peace of mind is at home, even when you're not there. ISEO presents the new patented system RME. The key is equipped with a mobile element that, when inserted into the cylinder, unlocks its rotation. Only in this situation is it possible to turn the key and open the door. The reversible key cylinder is available with multi-profile 3-coding rows and the possibility of a reserved profile, and is patented until 2038. The key neck is 18 mm long. That's why it's compatible with most of the Defender plate protection anti-drill. It is available with a plasticized metal and with a removable cap in different colors. It is ergonomic and anti-slip. ISEO Ultimate Access Technologies. Unlock your freedom to move.